Good morning. How do you use your daily work activity log Excel template? When you get your daily work activity log Excel template, you'll save it on your mobile device that you use a lot in your business. So you save a copy there, and the first things you do when you open the Excel workbook, you will go to function tab, and there is some simple entries here that you will remove, and you just fill up the columns with your information. So your business name, and that's a column that you can enter different part of your business. It could be maybe you have more than one business, or you have different side of your business, different things you work on to support your business. It could be your Twitter account, it could be your Pinterest, it could be Instagram, YouTube, podcast, blog, and you can just list all different sides of your business in the column name, business name, and you can list different type of businesses that you are engaged in as well. So in the column name, person's name, you'll enter your name and anyone working in the business with you. Principal function column, that's a column that you can fill up. The principal function and the task performed are two columns that you can fill up, so that it's easy to just use a drop down menu in the log sheet to describe the task you perform. So you can leave them blank, and as you start using the log, you can come back and add them. So there could be, like, for instance, order. If you sell products, you can put order, and task performed, you can see process, shipped, recorded. That way it is like, try a type of sentence here: order, process, order, shipped, order, recorded, or something like that. So, and then you have month colon here and the year. So once you fill up your function sheet, we have the instructions sheets to just describe a little bit how the workbook works, and you will go to the log sheet and you will enter your business name here. So when you enter here, it should show up on the summary by person and by business pages as well. And that's pretty much what you need to do. And every single day that you work on your business, the first things you will do, the first file you will open on your work computer will be your daily work activity log Excel template. So you log in, and in fact, we have some sample entries here that you could remove, but you log in and you just put the date and the time at the corner of your screen. You just look at it and enter it, and then you go to the person's name column, and there is a drop menu here, and you just choose who is working your name. And if you don't know what you wanted to work on right away, you could leave the principal function, the task performed, blank, and there is another column, description of task performed. In case you don't want to use the function and the task performed, you could just enter you should just describe what you work on here. You just have to type it in. and there is the colon of the business name, or if you have a blog, you could enter it there. If you have business A, you could enter that, and then if when you start working, you work on the blog, you could just put the blog there, and you have the drop menu for the months, and that's how you log in on your daily work log. So when you are done working on a task and you're about to start another one, you need to log out of that particular work that you work on. So you come back here and you can just enter the time you were done working on that task, and at that moment you know what you work on, and you can choose it from the principal function and task performed, or you can just come to the description and type it in. And when you're about to start the next task, you just log in as well. And you do not forget to put the date. By tracking your time that you spend on your business, you stay more productive, and you have a record in case you are audited and you need to prove that you are active in your business. You have your time recorded that you can use. So you have the summary page that allows you to track how many hours you spend on each side of your business by month. So in the column of business name, you could choose the business name, the business that you wanted to track, and it should bring the number of hours you work on. And the reason why the blog didn't bring anything, we did not calculate it. So it's very important to calculate the number of hours you work on each task. So here is going to be and you really have to calculate it. And the summary will just track it, and that's a drop menu. So when you enter you choose the business that you wanted to track, it will tell you how many hours you spend a month on each one of your business, and the total will be the total hours by month. Summary worked hours by staff, it is a sheet that will track how many hours each one of your staff members spend on your business as well. And summary work hours by business staff tracks each one of your staff members. Each time you click on the staff name, it will tell you the side of the business they work on. So the business name will be here, but the staff members name will change each time you use the drop menu to change their name, and it just allows you to look to see where they spend their time. So that's how you use your daily work activity log Excel templates. Thank you.